Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss our project. Our project is weather monitoring system using IOT for smart agriculture, made by Ambedkar and Shaukat Ali, having roll numbers 86 and 84 respectively. Before we discuss the details of our project, let me give you a brief introduction about this project and what significance this project has. The aim of weather monitoring system is to detect, record and display various weather parameters such as temperature, rain and humidity. This system makes use of sensors for detecting and monitoring weather parameters, and then this collected information is sent to the cloud, which can be accessed using the internet. Weather monitoring is also important not in just defining present climate but also for detecting climate change and providing the data to input into models which enable us to predict changes in our environment. Now let's dive deep into our project and let's see what we have here for you. This project is collection of different sensors and let's understand each sensor and its work respectively. Temperature and humidity sensor. In outdoor weather monitoring, temperature and humidity sensor are one of the most basic measurement elements. Temperature and humidity sensor are among the most commonly used sensors. Humidity sensors are also sometimes referred to as hygrometers. These devices are used to provide the actual humidity condition within the air at any given point or any given place. Soil pH sensor. The soil pH sensor is a device that measures the pH of the soil in real time. It is composed of a combination of metal sensor and a functional value switching device. The acid-base degree of the soil has an important impact on the content of soil nutrients, ammonia, phosphorus, and potassium, and therefore has an important impact on the healthy growth of plants. Along with we have display I to C converter, raindrops detection center, soil moisture center, analytical server, electrode, liquid pH sensor. All these sensors are processed by Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano is Arduino's classic beardboard friendly design board with the smallest dimensions. The Arduino Nano comes with pin headers that allows for an easy attachment on the beardboard and features a mini B USB connector. The classic Nano is the oldest member of the Arduino Nano family boards. So this is all on our hardware side. Now let's move to our desktop screen and see real-time measurement of our environment. Here as you can see we have temperature, humidity and pH readings respectively, and this is all shown on the cloud. This is all from my side. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.